So, before you watch this video, if you want to know how to make more than £200 in a week or see how I did it, this is the video for you. Firstly, I'm going to show you what I sold, then I'm going to show how much I made and how I sold it, and some little tips and tricks. So yeah, on with the video. Hey guys, so I'm going to be starting my gap year in September-ish, and as you can see I have too many clothes. Like, look at all this shit, I can literally lay down in it. My Depop is linked here, my username will be here somewhere for all of you that want to know where you can buy the clothes I'm selling. So this is the first thing I might be selling. I'm still a bit unsure about it. I feel like this dress kind of makes me look like a granny. This one as well also kind of makes me look like a granny. Both Urban Outfitters dresses. I also feel like I just need to get over myself and sell my black Air Forces because I never wear them and I love them, but they are not the most fashionable shoe. I feel like that's gonna really offend people who have black Air Forces, which is like everybody. Also selling my Oswegos, which again I've kind of gone off them. I'm gonna sell 2 belts and then all of this jewelry. This jewelry I feel like just doesn't suit my vibe anymore. Like, I'm even thinking about selling this one. I have like 3 pairs of leggings. These funky trousers I never wear anymore and they're kind of too small for me. This pink dress I really love, but I think it just doesn't suit me. I think it would suit lots of other people with not my body. Like, it's so pretty, but I feel like it makes me look so ugly, but I feel like that's just an insecurity of mine, so maybe I should keep it, but I feel like I should just sell it so I can buy more clothes. This purple shirt I'm not very sure about. It's pretty cool. It's like see-through. This bikini used to be my favourite, but I feel like it's just not my vibe anymore as well. Does anyone remember when these were in fashion, like the fanny packs, Eastpak bags? To be fair, I think they still are, but not anyone my age wears them. This red brandy Melville top, this hat, which I kind of like, and it's like reversible, but I just never wear it. Sorry, it's not really working. There you go. I literally have the smallest head out of all of my friends. Grey joggers, and I think that's it, guys. I'm now gonna take some photos. So it has been 2 days since I listed everything on Depop, and here I have all the money that I made. I already made £169 in 2 days. Do you know how mad it is I made £169 in 2 days? Just from selling my old clothes. So I sold the purple shirt, the Air Forces, the red top, the white trainers, the Eastpak bag, and then some other stuff that I sold the other day. And in the past 6 months, I've made £394. Not gonna lie, good photos and continuously relisting your items is the key. I just like not putting too many hashtags or like keywords in, because sometimes that makes your posts be taken down. I've been on Depop for like 2 years, I think, and I would say I've made like £1,000 over the last 2 years. At least, I would say. So if you want any videos like that, just let me know. This box is where I have all my stamps, my wrapping. Using like 2 or 3 of these instead of a large letter stamp can be good for like tops and stuff. And also remember to lint roll your clothes and things like that. Make sure they're clean, because it's not nice when you receive something from Depop that's like manky. What am I gonna do with all the money, I hear you ask? Well, I think I'm gonna make another YouTube video very soon, buying my dream wardrobe. I'm going shopping with a friend this Friday. And then I'll also maybe do some online shopping and make a video like that, because I have some money now to buy new clothes, so I might as well do a video on that. Other than that, I hope you have a good week. If you want to hear any more Depop stuff, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!